drop it.
So these are the laundry products we'll be using today. So we've got some scent, some fabric softener and some laundry pounder. That goes directly into the drum. These go directly into the drum as well. So these are tied. Now over here I'm going to be using this fabric softener. I'm going to be pouring inside of here. Now we're going to get it to synthetic. We're getting it to, so as you can see, it's already set for you. This is 1200 spin speed and it's 40 degrees. So now what we're just going to do is just going to press the play button over here. As you can tell, we're like nearly over halfway done with this. So now the washing machine is just spinning round and round, as you can see, and we've got 39 more minutes left, so I don't really know why we're here with the and this is actually 10-year parts guarantee, so you know, pretty good. And yeah, and this is Hoover HW500 Eco Power in 1600 active steam, so this is pretty good, not gonna lie to you guys, and it's 9 kg. And they've also partnered with Ariel and Lenore, and they have lots of different types of wash that you can do, and yeah, lots of different modes to choose from. These are all the buttons that you could press. And 39 minutes left, so it actually tells you the time on how long you have to wait. And it has child protective services over there. And yeah. This is our lunch, which have cheese and what's for sauce, tomatoes and tomato puree on them, and salt and pepper. ASMR.
So now guys, it's the end of the cycle and we're just going to take the clothes out and we're just going to hang them. So what we're going to do first is open it, then we're going to go to the switch and turn the washing machine off. Quick ASMR. We need to make sure we turn this off because you don't want anything happening when we turn it back on again. Or if we put it on, that will stay on. And we don't want that happening, so we want to make sure we save electricity by turning it off. Now let's take them out. So now you guys can see that the washing machine is now empty and we're just going to close the door.
I hope you enjoyed this video and leave a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see everyone next time. Bye!